Hello. Today we're doing our paper roll artwork. So you need some paper rolls, whether that's paper towel or this, because this is how I roll. Okay, so we're doing rolls, and then you might need this. If you don't have this, then you need some type of paper. It could be construction paper. It could be notebook paper. It could even be ads. Junk mail that you use. You can do that. And then you need scissors and you need glue. Fancy glue. If you don't have glue, maybe you can look online for a recipe for homemade glue. They have that. Okay, so what we're going to be making is this. Okay. Pretty. All right. So this is our goal. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, if you don't have any of these, but you have these, open it up, boom, 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 boom. Put a line of glue down here, and put that together. Okay, that's one way to do this. While this dries, instead of holding it the entire time, I put some stuff together at the parts and let it dry like that, so I don't have to hold it the entire time, because that gets old real fast. Okay, so you're going to either use this or this. I'm going to show you with this, alright? But either one of these will work. I'm going to take my roll and I'm going to flatten it so it's easier. Now, I'd like you to try to do this yourself, but you might need some parents' help. I know some little hands may not be, it might even be easy to cut. So at about a quarter or a half-inch intervals, you're just going to go and you're going to cut strips. So you're making little rings. And what kind of shape do you think that is? What does that look like to you? I think it kind of looks like flower petals. So, try to get them as much alike as possible, but you do what you can. Yes, I know sometimes it's harder than others. Where they come together like that, that's when two layers are together, so that's what makes it a little bit more difficult. Okay. Now, you can do as many of these as you want to. And you can make these as complicated as you want, or as simple as you want. It's up to you. Okay. Now, we have them all cut out. Okay, we're going to glue these together now. Alright, so I have my glue. It's open here. So, I'm going to put just on one side, and I'm going to connect those together. Now, if I pick these up, they're going to come apart automatically. Boop. Let's see. So, you need to do it on a place where you can sit it for a little bit so it can dry. Once it's dry, you can pick them up, and you can move them around. You might even connect them together. But right now, those just come apart. So we're just going to add more and more and make our shapes. Maybe, obviously, if you put them together, they can look like a flower. But maybe I want to do little parts and make some patterns. So maybe I do this. Like that, and do 3 together. And then I can go in and connect them. Now you see that one is a little bit different because they're different. I kind of messed up and didn't make them all the same size. And that can be on purpose or it can be accident. Now, if you made a roll, it's the same idea. You're gonna cut, but depending on how tightly you roll those could be even bigger. So you could use both and maybe connect them like this. So I'm connecting those parts together and make something like that. Now, one thing about this will be is that because this is cardboard, this will be able to stand up on its own. While this, I don't think this will be able to hold up. This, whenever you have more of these, it's not as strong and will flop more. This will hold up, but this is going to flop more. So it'll just go like that instead of like this will. See, like that. But this is stronger. Or not stronger. This is stronger. So, but this is nice and colorful. But this one, you could put a thumbtack up and it could hang like that and still keep its shape. All right. So, so play around with that. Come up with some awesome thing. Maybe instead of doing it like flowers, you could just make a pattern. Maybe the pattern is just, I don't know, a line. And just do many, many lines together and see where that takes you. Let's see, how did I do that? Dun, 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 dun. Boom. Boom. Because I know we think that, oh, those look like flower petals. That's all we can do. It doesn't have to be. Then I could glue, once this dries, I could glue this to that, and then we make a big part right there. And you could do more and more. You can do this all kinds of ways. What kind of way are you going to make an awesome piece of art? So there are many ways to do it. You don't just have to do a flower. It can be awesome in so many ways. So give it a try and see what you got, and then take a picture of it and turn it in Google Classroom. All right? So have a great day. Have fun creating.